What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another fire video on the Dre Gatsby Show.
Straight like that.
Honestly, thick, bro.
Straight. Yeah. Straight like that. Little season.
Y'all see the title, man. We about to get straight to it. I ain't about to hold y'all up too long, but just so y'all know, we're not dropping another YouTube video until this video gets to 100 likes. So do your part, man, and drop a like real quick for the Ski Nation members, man. Let's go. YouTube, we just pulled up to my boy, man. My boy OJ finna get me right with the cold air intake. Let me just show y'all the stock one right real quick. I can't even talk, bro. It's been a long, like, 3 days, week. I don't even know at this point, but this shit is sounding mean since the exhaust modifications. But yeah, that's about to be gone. And man, I could really use an engine bay clean, bro. Look how dirty this is. Hey, if y'all drop a like right now, I get the engine bay clean for y'all. And I actually might even do a YouTube video recording the engine bay cleans, because this is terrible. So what we're gonna do is take off the stock cold air intake, and my boy is going to set up the JLT cold air intake. That boy is actually pretty huge, bro. Let me show y'all what it look like. Check out the JLT. Wait, is it JLT or
JLT?
Yeah, JLT, man. Hey, shout out OJ2Y. Are you coming wide body again or what?
Nah, we switching off the dog.
No, you switching?
Hell yeah.
Oh. This boy is freaking huge, but I know it's gonna have the big Tonka sounding crazy. Check out the wide body scat pack, man. My cousin right here is switching out of Dodge, man. He said it's over with. It's time to get him going, man. You moving too fast, bro. You supposed to wait a second, bro. You can't be getting rid of the big Tonka that quick. Look at this beauty, man. She kind of thick, no lie. Check out those rims, though. We may have to get them a cold start, bro, but I don't think they're ready for all that, bro. Y'all gotta get this video like 200 likes in order for OJ to start up Tonka, man. Check out the badge. That badge crazy on that boy. Bro, you literally had this boy like, this probably the hardest wide body scat I done seen in Texas since I've been here, bro. And you low-key got this boy fully like taken care of quick though. Like,
yeah, it's fully built too, the motor.
And you did a lot of this work yourself too. Check out that carbon fiber lip on that. Sheesh. Yeah, I was telling my boy we probably keep this boy slim body. Let me know what y'all think, bro, because if we put a wide body kit on here, I think it would just take away from its natural, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, and then they got a lot of people out here that's at putting wide body kits on. Who would you say we should not go to, my boy?
Oh, Pure Envy Customs. You can see the video on that.
Yo, you probably shouldn't go shop with Pure Envy Customs, bro.
Look up their Google reviews.
They got the bad Google reviews too.
Hell yeah.
So y'all, what we gonna do is just take off the OEM stock cold air intake and then just,
It's like melted on there right now because it's hot.
yeah, it's hot, bro. I probably should have like let it cool down a little bit,
It's okay.
but it'll be good. My boy a 5-star technician over at the nearby Dodge dealership. I don't think you told him that, but my boy official with it, no cap. So what y'all think about a half and half wrap? Probably like silver on one side or black on one side and orange on the other, or silver on one side and orange on the other. Like, let me know what y'all think about that. Or a camo over the orange. What y'all think, man? Let me know something. But we should do something ASAP. Definitely like reflector lights. Hey, my boy, I haven't even got that license plate fixed yet, bro. Bro, that just got in there mad quick, bro. Hey, you sure you did that right, nigga? You did that a little fast, bro. This nigga fast as hell.
I'm taking it in and out 20 times to work on the car, so.
Sheesh, we finna be blowing, no cap, y'all. With the exhaust mod and the cold air intake, we green bean, no cap. Look at that stock one. Hey, you could keep the stock one where that shit. Yeah, you want me to take it with me?
No, I don't care.
My boy gonna charge me like the little mechanic shop. Y'all know how to you get some shit taken off your car. They be like, we're gonna charge you an extra $25 just to hold it at our facility. What
Yeah,
the
to
fuck?
throw it away.
Yeah, to throw it away. What the That's crazy. YouTube, we got the new JLT cold air intake installed, bro. Like, this is literally the fastest mod ever. Y'all know I made a video and it took me like 3 hours to do a diffuser, but my boy OJ just got us together real quick, man. It's in there, everything sturdy, bro. It was a little hot taking the stock one off. It was a little tight taking the stock one off because it was hot, but this one came off easily, bro. And I believe the JLT is way better than like the normal, like low air,
Oh, for sure.
AutoZone one.
Absolutely.
This my first ever.
Intake from here too. So you got to be careful when it rains.
Yeah.
Because you got, if you look right here, you see
Right.
the filter. It's gonna suck through there.
Oh, that's tough.
But
So,
you got to be careful because if it rains, you don't want that filter getting too wet.
damn. So how would you even go about it? You just like, shit, fuck it.
You can get a rain guard,
Oh,
like a filter thing that goes over this.
that's smart.
You can just buy that and throw it on there, and it's like a rain guard.
I didn't even think about that. That's low key what I was something that I had to take into consideration when I was replacing these, because one of them had water in it, bro. One of the heads had water in it. Well,
That's
not the
not
head, but the damn. Where's that fucking brain fart, bro? Hopefully you understand what I'm saying.
Yeah. Either way, not good.
Either way, not good. Hey, y'all, so we finna get a cold start real quick of the 1-of-1 OJ2Y scat pack, bro. This honestly thick, bro. Hey, is that shit too loud or what? Huh? You like that or it's like... Hey, y'all drop a W down below for the wide body charger, bro. That's OD loud, dog. That's OD loud, man.
It's loud as fuck.
Appreciate my dog for coming through on the freaking cold air intake, man. We lit, man. We finna hear a quick little cold start real fast after we drop the hood ice. I'm excited, though. And it doesn't, like, a lot of people think, like, you get 25 miles per hour. Bro, you don't get that much, like, speed from a cold air intake.
No.
It just increased the airflow.
Yeah, better intake temps. Keep the engine colder.
Definitely helps.
Oh, for sure.
I can just hear it, like...
Huh?
I can just hear it, like, it's breathing. It's hungry.
Literally here.
Yo! Wait, hold up. Yeah. Hey, that's that supercharger?
Huh? You literally hear it.
Hey, that shit sounds good. I appreciate you, my dog. We're about to head back to the way. YouTube. All right, y'all. So we did just get the big Tonka freaking modded real quick, man. We about to take this boy back to the crib. Oh, I ain't gonna even lie to you. Bro, can I even fit through there? This is so stupid of me, bro. Can I make it? Can I make it? Can I make it? Can I make it? Oh my gosh. Bro, that was extremely tight. Pause. All right, y'all. So now what I want to do is I want to get some, POV content. Just, get some pulls. Nothing too crazy, but I definitely want to hear it on the freeway, hear how it breathes, and just kind of want to get a behind the scene and, aftermath of getting the cold air intake installed. Man, I'm excited to hear how it sounds, hear how it's breathing, hear how my highway response time is, how my RPMs is working, etc. Like I said, this is my first ever JLT cold air intake, and I know the Hellcats make like a lot of leg makers, things like that is very important when it comes to the airflow of your car, especially when you're moving at high speeds on the highway, etc. So I'm just very excited, bro. Let me know what y'all think about the new modification, and y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure you watch the full video, man. It really helps us, and I'll see y'all soon. Peace. All right, y'all. So I did a little bit of driving just to make sure, what I'm saying, it sounded all good, everything working as it should. I ain't switching up. I'm the same little straight A. But I ain't gonna lie, bro. This just sounds crazy. I'm waiting for a tunnel to come up just so y'all can really hear it for real. I ain't even hold y'all up. I love the tunnel. So that's what we waiting on now. As soon as I come up on the tunnel, I'm definitely gonna get y'all a POV of the big 392. You see what I'm saying, man? So y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned, bro. Y'all gotta hear this junk. This junk sounds amazing, bro. If you are looking to make your 392, your Challenger sound 10 times better, make sure you stay and watch the full video, as this can be you, bro. This is not no image. Guys, make sure you know how to drive before you do goofy shit. You know what I'm saying? That's the main thing. You want to make sure you know how to drive. So we got a slight pull here for y'all real quick. Sheesh. Hey, man, that shit speak for itself. And that's no rap cap, dog. I ain't even hit the first gear yet, and she was literally like screaming, bro. Screaming, bro. Like, what? This is crazy, bro. Sheesh. Hey, this crazy how loud this car is, bro. But, guys, it's insane, bro. Hey, I can get used to that sound though. I ain't gonna even lie. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. So I definitely noticed that there is some better response time when it comes to when I press the gas. Like as soon as I hit 2,500 RPMs, bro, my junk get the farting, dog. I ain't gonna even lie. And I don't even have to like. I normally just go automatic, but sometimes when I feel like shifting, I'll obviously manually do it. But I noticed it's a smoother shift. I wonder if that's, you know, because it got better airflow in it, so it low-key feels very good. But I definitely noticed that I like this a lot. I think what I want to do is probably go headers next just to open it up even more. I feel like that airflow definitely helps in the overall performance of a car with this amount of speed. So it sounds good, bro. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Like, I'm gonna give y'all a quick pull. See what I'm saying? Like, bro, that just sounds great, bro. Like, and it's really like, I don't even know if the camera is doing justice for real, but it sounds literally amazing, bro. I cannot complain. Like, and that like, this is just the beginning of the big Tonka, bro. Like, I'm literally grateful, for real, for real. Appreciate y'all tuning in today. That's gonna be the end of this video, bro. If y'all do have any other, you know, suggestions, modifications y'all want to see me do to the 392 Scat Pack Chally, man, let me know down below in the comment section, bro. And I appreciate y'all for being here, man. Just so y'all know, we're not dropping another video until this get 100 likes as well. So we're gonna keep pushing out fire videos, bro, because I need to make sure that we all on the same page, man. But do your part and definitely leave a like, man. It helps out with the algorithm. It helps YouTube push our video out to more people so we can get more people on our channel, man, and we can continue making fire videos, bro. And this mod is like amazing, bro. I'm glad I did it. But y'all stay tuned, man, and I'll catch y'all on the next banger. Yeah.